Welcome to another video for Investigation Video Editor. We have received numerous requests from our users to give IVE the ability to add image files to their projects and not just video files. We listened to you, and now IVE gives you the option to add image files to your project and have those images play like a slideshow. Additionally, IVE will also read the metadata of those images and add a timestamp to them. In this tutorial, I will guide you on how to add images to your project and adjust the duration for which those images will appear in the final video. I will also show you how to create images from those files with the timestamp on them. Let's begin. Here I have IVE open, and I'm going to add some video of my subject exiting the grocery store. I use the Add Files method. And I have a master folder for the file on my desktop, and in it I have a folder that contains the video I took. I will load all the video clips into IVE, and once they have finished processing, they will fall in chronological order. While filming the subject, I also took still shots with my camera, and I want to add those files to the project as well. I will create a new camera folder within IVE. I will use the Add Files button, and I'm going back into the subject's master folder. And there I have created a folder labeled Pics. And when I open it, you can now see image files are visible with IVE. Before, these file formats would not be visible. I will select all three images, and they will process. And there you have it. The image files will fall in chronological order within the video files. Images will have a purple outline around the thumbnail so that they are easily located. And if I click on an image, the timestamp is visible, so IVE will timestamp the images just as it would a video file. And you can see that the image timestamp remains stagnant as it plays. The default duration for an image to play is 5 seconds. If you would like the duration to be longer or shorter than that, you can adjust this by clicking the Settings button on the left side of the screen and select the Image Play Duration tab. You can then set the duration for all images in seconds and hit Apply. This setting will be saved the next time you open IVE, and this will apply the new duration to all of the images in the project. If you just need to add timestamps to your photos, you do not need to export the project. Simply select the photo you wish to timestamp and click the Pick Capture button. IVE will create a copy of the image with the timestamp on it, just like it does for video stills. And just as a side note, if you needed to adjust the date or time on the images, IVE does that too. When the project is exported, IVE will list the image files in the Project Actions report. However, image files do not have a duration, as that number is taken from a file's metadata, and image files have no duration property listed in their metadata. And that is it. Adding images to an IVE project is now as simple as adding video files. If you have any questions about this tutorial or any questions about IVE, please do not hesitate to contact us at team@investigationve.com. Thank you for watching.